This is testing with our new W70 in a combination with the Shure, right, Kasper?
Shure MXA 902, that's right.
And I'm in the furthest away, as I may say, in this room. There's a 10-12 people table here. Right now, I connected to my W70. I'm using the speakers on the W70 and the microphones on the MXA 902, chosen in the Teams Room setup.
Yes.
So we're testing how well the pickup is on the Shure microphone. And of course, when Kasper is speaking, I can hear in the room the sound from our video soundbar.
Yes, that's right. And I can hear you very clearly now.
That's good. And the next test in a couple of seconds, it will actually be just pure comparison when we only use the W70 to see if we actually get the bump off of the audio when using the Shure MXA 902. Okay, let's shut this down. Okay, now we change over to the W70, just to keep a note on the picture. I know we're speaking audio here, but look at behind me, a clear, wide window. You can still see my face. That's pretty impressive made. Right now, I'm using out all the audio speakers and microphone on the W70.
Yes.
And this is actually testing and a comparison to what we did before. And Kasper, you can hear, we will probably also hear on the recording, the difference between the two.
Oh, yes. Your voice is clear, but remarkably thinner and further away. And I would probably think that if there were more people talking in your end of the table, you would have trouble separating them. But yeah. I'm guessing.
Yeah, of course. But and this is of course what we're speaking about, the bump off you can get when you actually dedicate and upgrade your Magpie product with like the Shure MX-02 here in a larger room like we are intending to do.
Yes.
So yeah, perfect. Thank you, Kasper.
Thank you.